It's good, boy. Alright, I don't feel like fucking journaling this whole video. I mean, this whole day. So like, I'm gonna put it into a video and just put it into my little notebook thing, bobber. Alright, so off the bat, let me do this real quick. Oh fuck. But off the bat, go over here. So at the start of the day, I saw that we fuck, no, it's over here. My bias was bullish, but you know, I don't fucking. I have this in my fucking journal already. I'm trying to just fucking journal or record the part where I don't feel like journaling. All right, so basically, AMD, right? Boom, down, up. So calm little reversal type of thing going on, whatever. So my bias was long, right? I ideally wanted this low to get swept down here, which is a high time frame low, 4 hour low, 1 hour low, whatever. It was more high time frame, more high probability, right? I wanted that to get taken out, but it didn't get hit. Now, what did get taken out was low time frame liquidity, or if you want to say internal range liquidity, right? Which is like kind of like a fair value gap type of thing, I guess. But yeah, basically there's liquidity somewhere in there on the 1 minute. I'll show you in a second, but let me mark this out. Boom. We had an order block that caused this whole move up right here. And I don't have to fucking mark it out as blue. But then we also had a breaker block right here. And the thing about low time frame liquidity, the only time I would take a trade off of it or whatever is whenever it's paired with like OTE like if it respects OTE, but in that OTE there has to be like an order block, a breaker block, but those two have to be also the order block has to cause like a fair value, like some fair value gaps, right? Like a strong, decently good up move. Like this whole up move right here from here to here, you know what I'm saying? Was a pretty good up move, which also made fair value gaps. So I'm like, okay, yeah, this is a pretty valid order block, but it's also a line of OTE and a breaker block, if you want to say. But oh shit, hold on, what the fuck? But yeah, anyways, and low time for liquidity, that I'ma show got swept, which is kind of fucking. You want to say, yo, well, that could have been any low, but it was this one right here. Right, boom. Super fucking tiny, yeah, but it's low time for liquidity, so. And then something to like also note is that let me go over here real quick. I found out that's like pretty cool. This whole up move, like yesterday was like a whole fucking. I keep cursing. Yesterday was like a mad bearish day. It just crashed. But this whole up move right here, whoop, it like price bounced back into it or bounced down back into OT, then went higher. But then over here, you bring it up to this whole up gosh, you're bringing this low up to this high up here. Then what you call it? Price went back down to OTE again and bounced back up after that. So I find that pretty interesting. So today would have been like was a really good bullish day, but today was a really good bullish day, but something that I messed up on was the fact that I was going on like TJR stream and I was on a phone call with my friend, and their bias was like the opposite of mine, right? And then not just that, but what you call it? I was checking too many pairs, so I wasn't like focused on one pair, which is like a big not even a big mistake, but a mistake that I'd be doing sometimes. Like I would like, oh yeah, I don't know, but that's that. And then I couldn't take this because One, it didn't give me an entry model in my kill zone. It gave me an entry model, but it didn't give me an entry model in my kill zone. So, I'll turn this on real quick. If you go over here, 10, I'll mark it out too. Fuck. My kill zone's in, sometimes I rarely take a trade before 10, but I'll take a trade sometimes, like, at 9:50, like, earliest. Okay. So I usually take entries off like the 1 minute and 3 minute or whatever. So if you wanted to, you could have entered off here. What the fuck? Hold on. You could have entered off here. Boom, right? But market opened 9:30 right here. I barely take trades, and I usually never do take trades before my kill zone or like right after market open, cause, but yeah, you see that I got swept right there, and then I break a structure. Well, actually, you can see right here, but I broke structure, and then I made a new fucking term up. Oh shit, wrong one. I made a new term up where like if price sweeps liquidity and then disrespects like this fair value gap right here, right? I call that an SDFEG, which is a sweep disrespecting fair value gap, which is like kind of like a new type of confluence I made up. No one can fucking steal it from me. But yeah. And then yeah, you could have entered off here and what is this? Wait for candle close. No, somewhere around here, I guess. Boom. Stop right there. This is what I would have had my TP at this Tokyo high, and if you wanted to go for more, which I would not have done at all. Let me see. Oh yeah, before I do that. And there was like a second entry that I could have taken right here. Let me turn this off real quick. I haven't posted in so long, or I haven't, post or uploaded a video in so long. There's another one up here, which also got respected, but the thing about this one is that it was at 9:49, 1 minute away from 9:50, so I didn't take it. But let's say I take this one, right? Could have been at least a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, somewhere around there, right? Or took this one. What the fuck? Your price moved up a lot. Or not a lot, but like a decent amount, I ain't gonna lie. You could aim for like London, or yesterday's London, or nah, that would not have worked. But yeah, I think that's it. And my biggest mistakes from today were literally just I was like switching through these 3 pairs and shit, just like boom, boom, boom. But yeah, I think a setup showed up on S&P. Let's see, yeah. Go over here. What is it? This low got swept. It passed the 15 minute wick rule. And then I think this is, let me see. Also respecting OTE, fair value gap right here. And you could have entered off of, turn shit off. Could have entered off of a, let me see. Probably 3 minute fair value gap, I think, right here. Yeah. That one right there. I'll mark it out. Boom. Boom. You could put your stop down here or down here. I probably would place it down here. And then you could aim for some fucking highs. You could aim for Tokyo's highs, or that's probably what I would have done. This high right here, that one, that one. Where'd probably stop at? Oh, price came back up into I think this is a weekly opening gap, yeah. Alright, well that's fucking it. What the fuck?